So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your time zone of your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your computer and then get on the top right corner of that's where your name is, and then select on the account settings option. Now guys, select on your left side which says account preferences, and now you guys can see this category called time zone. Now select its update button, and now you just need to select the scroll down icon, and you can see there are only two options for the time zones, GMT plus 5:30 and GMT minus 7. So you guys can select one of these options, and after selecting one of these options you just need to select on the save button. So that's how you guys can change your time zone of your PayPal account. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.